So kapiling natin si Joanne Denise Lumbao, one of our members of the Philippine Karate team. You just won yung ating Siklab Awards. Joanne, welcome to Sports Corner. How does it feel na manalo ka dito sa ating Siklab Awards maya-maya lang?
I'm excited. I'm really thankful. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the event.
And with this victory nga, parang na-earn mo talaga yung title of becoming one of the outstanding young athletes na a total of 70 awardees na paparangalan mo mamaya. Does it feel na mapasama ka doon sa elite place ng ating mga young athletes na ibibigyan ng parangal today?
I'm super happy. Yeah, I'm super grateful. It's nice to know that PSC is really supporting grassroots programs.
Okay, Joanne, what's the latest na pala sa inyong career? What's your recent winnings na napalarunan ninyo sa international po?
I just came back from the Junior Asian Championships in Shaoguan in China. I was able to get a bronze medal.
A bronze medal. So what's your assessment on your victory and how does will be sabihin natin a big boost para dito sa iyong campaign for the upcoming SEA Games?
We just keep working. We keep what works and then we change what didn't work because
You also joined nga pala yung Karate 1 CAC sa Malaysia,
Yeah.
no? Pero hindi ka napalad, no?
No.
So, what's the next target para kay Joanne?
the SEA Games. We're preparing for the SEA Games.
Alright, and what's your message nga pala sa ating mga young athletes po?
Just work hard and have fun.
Alright, you want to greet some of our viewers and supporters? That's it.
Karate Pilipinas, thank you to the coaches, to Shihan Richard Lim, Sir Chino, Sir Tony, all of the coaches, and AAK, my grassroots program.
Thank you so much, Joanne. God bless and more power and congratulations.
Thank you.